Welcome to this video reviewing the Supreme Court case of Torm Shipping Philippines, Incorporated versus Pamphilo a Alacre, decided in 2021 by the First Division under Justice Samuel H. Garlan. In this first part, we will examine the factual background of the case, focusing on the seafarers' engagement, the injuries sustained while on board, and the interplay between competing regulatory frameworks. The case involves two primary legal frameworks. The POEA-SEC standard terms provide the minimum protections for Filipino seafarers, while the Danish collective agreement offers enhanced coverage, including benefits under the Danish Industrial Injuries Act. The claimant served as a fitter on the vessel Torm Christina. After sustaining a severe right shoulder injury in July 2012, he was repatriated and received medical treatment. Despite an interim disability rating, no final evaluation was issued. The procedural history saw conflicting rulings. The labor arbiter awarded full disability, but the NLRC reversed this, deeming the claim premature. The Court of Appeals later reinstated the labor arbiter's decision, before the Supreme Court finally dismissed the complaint as moot. In Part 2, we analyzed the Supreme Court's ruling, specifically focusing on CBA extension clauses, the principle of offsetting, and the standards for awarding attorney's fees. The Supreme Court addressed three core legal issues: the validity of the CBA beyond its term, the application of the offsetting rule to foreign compensation, and the conditions required to recover attorney's fees. Regarding CBA validity, the court affirmed that the agreement remained effective because no party issued a written notice of termination. The automatic renewal clause ensured its terms continued to govern the employment relationship, prevailing over standard POEA-SEC minimums. When comparing financial awards, we see that the Danish award significantly exceeded the 60,000 United States dollars cap defined in the POEA-SEC standard, leading to a net deficit for the employer of zero. Because the Danish compensation fully offset the potential POEA-SEC liability, the employer faced no further obligations. Consequently, the question of whether the injury qualified as a permanent total disability under Philippine rules became moot. Key takeaways include the principle of CBA supremacy, the use of set-off clauses to prevent double recovery, the application of the mootness doctrine, and the requirement of bad faith for attorney's fees. Thank you for watching this review of Torm Shipping Philippines versus Alacre. This concludes our case study in the Philippine Maritime Law Lecture Series. Here are the sources for the images used in this video.